Did you know nature hides some mind-blowing secrets? There's a mushroom in Oregon that spans over 2,385 acres, bigger than 1,600 football fields. It's the largest living organism on Earth. Trees actually talk to each other using underground fungi networks. They warn about pests and share nutrients with weaker trees. In the Amazon, some frogs use poison so strong, one frog can kill 10 men. Yet native tribes used it to tip their arrows. There's a lake in Tanzania that turns animals into stone, its salty waters preserve them in perfect form. And high in the Himalayas, there's a frozen lake filled with ancient human skeletons, Rupkund Lake. Still a mystery. Nature is weird, wild, and wonderful. Which fact shocked you the most? Like and subscribe for more.